Hi, I'm Alex Rodriguez, a product owner here at Cavallo. Today, I'm going to show you how to automate your shipping in Cavallo Distribution Cloud. Let's get started. One of the most common actions my users need to take from day to day is shipping our orders. And using Cavallo Distribution Cloud's workflow, I want to set that up to be automatic. So as soon as my picking workers are done with their work and move their documents into the shipping queue, we can automatically generate the shipping document representing that we have shipped that order. And Cavallo Distribution Cloud's workflow management makes that pretty easy for me. So to do this, I'm going to take a look at my shipping queue, and I'm going to enter edit mode, and what I'm going to do is set there to be an automated action when documents enter this queue. And what this will do is, no matter where the documents are coming from, no matter how my routing works in my workflow, when a document enters my shipping queue, I'm going to trigger this action. So to enable this, I'm going to click this checkbox here, and I'm going to choose the action I want to run. And for this purpose, I'm going to set it to create a shipment document. Once I've done that, I get a couple options here. The main one is what about the order I want to ship. And this will allow me to basically choose whether I want to ship all of the inventory that's been reserved to this order, or just what's available in the warehouse. And this basically gives me some flexibility depending on whether or not I use inventory reservations. Now that I've added that action, all I have to do is hit save and apply my changes to the workflow. To see this in action, let's take a look at one of my documents in the picking queue. So you can see here, this order is in the picking queue, and if I take a look at the lines reserved quantity and the status on the order, I can see this has been fully reserved. If I hit the submit button now, the document will move to shipping, and because of the workflow I put in place, I can see that it's automatically been shipped. And that's how you automate your shipping in Cavallo Distribution Cloud. If you have any questions, please feel free to enter them in the comments section down below, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you'd like to see any more tips and tricks. Thanks!